Okay, so in the last video we had made these move buttons actually work by passing a method down from our overall app into our move buttons that triggers changes in the state of our app. And we can look at that app diagram again just to refresh our minds on where we're at, if I can find it. Our state is in our app, this purple box, and we can pass that state down, including we can pass methods and state down to all these children. In our case, we're passing a method into the hero controller and then into a move button. And that method is actually on the app. And so it can update the state of our app. And this last video, lucky number 13, is going to be the last one in this initial look at state in a class-based component. The next thing I'm going to do is make a new series of videos on Redux. And but in for this first series, we're almost done. All we need to do is create this transformation where when we click when the hero reaches a certain position, it will update state. So we're keeping track of the position of the hero, and then we check to see if the hero has reached a certain position over a certain threshold. It'll be a unicorn. And then when we go back up, under a certain threshold is a unicorn, and then turns into this happy guy. What a happy day. So we're going to make that happy day happen by transforming this achieved goal value to true when a certain condition is met. And it's pretty straightforward. Maybe you figured it out on your own. We're going to, in our app, we're going to have a value here called const updated achieved goal, and we'll set that equal to new hero position, so this newly calculated hero position on the y-axis. So if that's greater than the goal position dot y, and we need to actually subtract the height of the image. So the goal position dot y is going to be right here, but at the point that we want the transformation to happen, right, which is right there, the y value of this image is actually the height at the beginning of that image. That's where the 0 of that y of that image is. So we need to subtract the height of that image and say when the bottom of that image hits that, then we're going to transform. So we'll say goal position dot y minus 200. And you can see goal position, it needs to come off of state. And that, in our case, will remain static, but obviously in lots of games the goal is moving, right? So we can keep track, we can move the goal, and that might be a fun thing for you to try to do. We can make a game like Breakout. We can make any kind of game we want using this basic framework that we've got here, and that might be a fun thing to try, is like make Space Invaders, you know. But maybe that'll be for a different certainly for me that'll be for a different video, but it could be something that you do on your own to explore these tools. And I think I'm gonna make like a Super Mario version at some point. But so we're gonna say updated achieved goal is gonna be set to true when this condition has been met. Otherwise it'll be false. So every time we update hero, we'll check and we'll make a new updated achieved goal, and we'll say achieved goal which will pull, will set in state, will be updated achieved goal. And so now this achieved goal value should change. Let's go to, I'm going to go to, this is the one we're currently working on. And what's the story there? So we'll go boom, down, 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 going down. And let's just, we're not going to be able to see the image change, but let's just see if this achieved goal thing changes. It did. Great. So we saw our state transformed right where we want it to. Now we need to use that value in our hero. So our hero is currently getting a position. We can also say achieved goal will be equal to achieved goal, which we're pulling off a state already. And now in the hero, we'll pull achieved goal, and we'll use that inside of our div. We'll say we'll conditionally render an image. We'll bring in this, I already have this import ready to go, of the rainbow leprechaun, which is coming from here. So we're importing rainbow leprechaun img from this file. And now I can just say, in here I'll say achieved goal. So if that's true, we want to have an img with a source of rainbow leprechaun image. And this will be leprechaun. And we'll add that same class name. So it'll be the same size as the other one. And then we'll just conditionally render depending on, can't resolve rainbow leprechaun .png. Oh, yeah. There we go. So we'll come back to that file and we'll see. So we're conditionally, right now it's false, and we're seeing the unicorn, which is correct. If achieved goal is false, then we'll see the unicorn. If it's true, we should see the rainbow leprechaun. I'll go down, 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 down. Yes, it works. And that's that. You can see we're keeping track of our state in our data display. We're updating our state using these buttons. And we're moving this guy around and causing some really, really pleasant transformation to occur. I say that's a game. And I hope that's helped you understand state a little bit in a class-based component. Like I said, I'm going to use this as the leaping off point for some videos about Redux. And I think it'll be fun. I think it'll be instructive. We're going to update this hero position. To start with, we'll update this hero position not using Redux, but using our own implementation of Redux, which might seem like a weird way to start learning about Redux, but I think it'll just help Redux make a lot more sense if you understand and know that at its heart, Redux is just about using array.reduce. All right, I'll see you in that series of videos and hope you have a great weekend. See you next week.